Welcome to Accent Mastery.
Today we're going to learn how to properly pronounce the names of Japanese and Chinese characters from the Street Fighter series. We will also learn the meaning of these names and the characters used to write them. Here is another character that often is mispronounced. I hear a lot of people pronouncing it AKUMA. The real pronunciation in Japan is AKUMA. AKUMA. And it means devil.
Now keep in mind that while the word is Japanese, which is why we are reviewing how to pronounce it, that it's actually not the name of the character in Japan. So, what we are reviewing is the way the word is pronounced in Japanese, but the Japanese version of the game has a separate name, GOUKI. So, while AKUMA can be translated as demon, GOUKI can be translated as great demon or powerful demon, as the character pronounced ki is the same as the character pronounced AKUMA, which means demon. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.